Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a necklace reveal from Charmed Aroma. This is their Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory candle. This is so cute, and it does say that you could enter to win $500. So let's take a look. 4 different necklaces it looks like. And it's supposed to smell like chocolate, and I could already smell it. It definitely does smell like chocolate. Thought this was so cute. Here's the 10. It's adorable, and it slides off. And there's 6 wicks. Haven't seen that before. That's pretty interesting. I feel like I can, maybe not. It felt like it was moving, like I could pop it out. But all pink tin. Some writing on the back there. That's very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and light that. Is this my enter to win? Ooh, okay. So we have a QR code. Let's go ahead and scan that and see what happens. Okay, so at first when I scanned it, some weird website came up and I hit skip advertisement and then it brought me to Charmed Aroma. So you just enter all your information and you enter to win. I guess they let you know at a later date if you won or not. It's a $500 e-gift card for Charmed Aroma. That's really cool. So now I will enter my information and light this and I'll be back to show you what I get. Alright, I did end up sneaking like a warmer underneath here just to speed it along because only this part melted and I couldn't see the jewelry, so I figured it was in one of these corners. And I entered all of my information for the giveaway. It's basically, you could just create your entry. You could get extra entries if you follow them on Facebook. There's like 3 different options: Facebook, Instagram, and then like share with a friend. So you don't know immediately if you won anything. The contest ends in a few months, I think at the end of April, and then they pick someone. So that's how that works. So I assume you'll only be notified if you win. So that's pretty cool. This does smell exactly like chocolate. It's almost too overpowering for me. It's just very highly fragranted. Smells good though. I feel like you can definitely just leave this on your counter unlit and you would be able to smell it really well. So let's see which one I got. I looked all over on their website. It doesn't look like it's supposed to be sterling silver. They used to label everything very well, and now I feel like it's kind of hard to find out. There was one product I didn't say sterling silver anywhere in the description or anything, but then someone pointed out one of the pictures of the candle, it did say in the corner like sterling silver. So I don't know why they're hiding it now, but oh, that's cute. Is that a little lollipop for the Lollipop Guild? Is that what that's supposed to be? That is so cute. And then the little W with the hat on it. It's reflective, so I'm trying to show you a good angle of it. Let's see on the back. Doesn't look like it's stamped 925. I'm not seeing that anywhere, so I don't think it is sterling silver. But I love the little lollipop. It's purple and pink stones in there. How stinking cute. It's hard for that one to focus because it's reflecting. And if I turn it towards myself, then you see like my shirt. I'll go ahead and appraise it, and I'll be back to try to show you a better view of that. So the necklace is adjustable like it always is, and this appraised for $60 on their website. Like I said, there's a few different necklaces to collect, so you may get a different one if you order this product. But that is what I have for you today. I do have several brand new items from Fragrant Jewels coming up on my channel, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to see what I find in there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.